Hi guys, let's see how to add suffix and prefix at one time in Google Sheet. So there is a very useful formula, array formula. Just choose array formula. Then what you have to do, let's say you want to add a suffix and prefix. So what you will do, first of all, inside double quotes, you just add your prefix. Then after that, put a space and type and. Then select that thing where you want to add this prefix. Then again type and. Then again, if you want to add prefix, otherwise it's okay. Inside double quotes, just type prefix and just close the bracket, hit enter, and that's it. See, the prefix and the suffix are added. Thanks for watching. Please do